This video shows how to create a Snowflake Data Cloud connection that uses Okta Client Credentials Authentication in Administrator. To use Okta Client Credentials authorization with Snowflake from the Informatica Intelligent Data Management Cloud, or IDMC, Administrator sends the credentials to Okta and requests access. If the credentials are valid, Okta issues an access token to Administrator. Administrator then uses the access token to make authorized requests to the Snowflake resource server, which validates the token and ensures secure access to Snowflake assets. Let's get started. First, open Okta. Create an Okta Integrator account and log in to the Okta Developer Console. Go to the Applications page and create a new app integration. Use the OpenID Connect sign-in method and select the web application type. Name the app integration and select Client Credentials and Refresh Token in the Grant Type area. In the Redirect URI fields, enter the URL for your IDMC instance. Okta will send the authentication response and tokens to Administrator to secure communication and prevent unauthorized redirects. Enable controlled access based on your requirements. You can allow all users in your organization to use the same client credentials, or you can limit access to certain groups. Do not enable immediate access with Federation Broker Mode. Save the app integration. Next, copy the client ID and the client secret and save these details. Go to the API page and add a new authorization server. Authorization servers issue tokens and manage security scopes. Name the server and enter your Snowflake account URL as the audience to ensure that the tokens are valid and that they're only used for your Snowflake resources. Then save the server. Now let's edit the issuer setting. Select your Okta URL and save the server again. Copy the issuer URI and metadata URI and save the details. Scopes define the permissions and roles that Administrator can request access for. Go to the Scopes tab and add a scope. Name the scope with the format session:role:, followed by the warehouse name from your Snowflake account. We'll set the user consent to implicit and keep the default scope setting. Then create the scope and verify the settings. Now let's configure access policies and rules. Go to the Access Policies tab and add a new policy. Name the policy and assign it to the IDMC Administrator application you just created. Then add a rule. Select the Client Credentials grant type and disable Device Authorization Core grants. Then enter the name of the scope you created and create the rule. Next, open the metadata URI you saved earlier in a new browser tab. Find the token endpoint, copy it, and save it. Also copy the JWKS URI, which Snowflake uses to validate tokens. Next, we'll create a security integration in Snowflake for Okta. Log into your Snowflake account using the Account Admin role. Open a worksheet and select the same warehouse that you specified in Okta. Run the command to create a security integration and then name it. Then enter the Okta OAuth type, issuer URI, JWKS URI, and audience information. Run the command to complete the security integration setup. Now we're ready to create a Snowflake Data Cloud connection. Log into IDMC and open Administrator. Go to the Connections page and create a Snowflake Data Cloud connection. Name the connection and select a runtime environment. Select Client Credentials as the authentication type. Enter the Snowflake account and warehouse names. Then enter the Okta token endpoint as the access token URL, the client ID and client secret, your scope, and generate the token. The authentication was successful, so we'll test the connection. And save it. You can use the Snowflake Data Cloud connection in data integration and other IDMC services to securely read data from or write data to Snowflake using Okta Client Credentials. For more information, see the Snowflake Data Cloud Connector Guide on the Informatica documentation portal.